No, sorry. Hey guys, welcome back to the Tiny Fam. I'm back, and today I want to review my... Oh, that is so good. Okay, review my fidget toys, my homemade ones. So, and let's start. And here's my friend Matthias. He fell. And he has his own channel. What's it called?
Matthias Noria.
Okay. And here.
Subscribe to mine and hers. Okay? If you don't subscribe, I'm gonna
cut. Okay, now that that's over, let's so the first thing I have is this homemade puppet. So you just pop. Matthias, come here. He's gonna be rating it. What do you rate this to 1 to 10?
10 million.
Okay, I love it too.
Like so
You put them all. The next one is this giant bear squishy. Take a look at it. And I made it, so rate it.
I will think this is not really good. I will put 8 out of 10.
Okay, 8 out of 10. This giant hamburger squishy.
This is so good. So I'm gonna put 1 million out of 10.
Okay. And what about this slime?
This slime, I cannot touch it, so I don't know.
Poke it.
Just a little bit. It's not sticky. Wow, that was super cool. So I put